Number 10 from quiz 2, we're going to simplify the expression negative 2y minus the quantity of 3z minus 3y minus 3z. So we attempt to start within the parentheses. That's the most important thing. But we'll notice that they are not like terms. Z and y terms are not the same. So when we step outside of that, we can see we have a subtraction that's in front of parentheses. So just remember, if that ever happens, you want to put a 1 in between, because the subtraction needs to distribute to both terms inside the parentheses. So by putting in the 1, it kind of helps you remember that. So now let's go ahead and bring down the negative 2y. And now we need to distribute. Now be careful when you distribute. Treat that subtraction like the sign of that 1. So in other words, we have not just 1, but negative 1 times 3z, which is a positive 3z, is a minus 3z. When we look at the second term, the 3y is not just a 3y term, but it's a minus 3y term. So when we distribute the negative 1 to the minus, or to the negative 3y, that gives us a plus 3y. Then we simply bring down the minus 3z. So you can see that the subtraction changed the sign of the terms inside the parentheses. So the next thing we want to do is combine like terms. Well, we have the y terms. And I'm doing it this way because this is the convention. We're going to alphabetize these terms when we combine them. So a negative 2y plus 3y gives us a positive 1y, or just y. You can write it like that if you want to. And then we have a negative 3z and another negative 3z. So negative 3 minus 3 more would give us negative 6z. So you could also write that as just y minus 6z. The other way you could write it, if you want to write the z term first, would be negative 6z plus y. And if you want to show that 1 in front of that y, you could as well. But again, the convention is to put the variable terms in alphabetical order. So